1 tablespoon pure ghee, bay leaf, red dry chili, garlic, red chilies, some cashews, ginger, onions, tomatoes, salt according to taste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder 1 tablespoon, garam masala, dried fenugreek, methi. Roast all ingredients for 2 to 3 minutes on full flame. Now leave it for cool down. Now transfer to a jar and grind them. Now in a same pan add a thin slice of butter and add mushrooms and saute them. Now add some capsicum, onions, toss them. Now add the grinded paste which we had made earlier. So our Shahi Kadhai mushroom is ready. If you want, you can add some water too. So our Shahi creamy mushroom is ready. Now garnish with coriander leaves. Now thanks for watching.